Behind every great brand is someone who sees the story before anyone else does. For Tmat, that someone is Bobby. He's the guy capturing the hustle, the guy filming every detail, the guy turning a warehouse into a brand the world recognizes.
How's it going, everyone? It's me, Bobby, here at the Tmat HQ. I'm the social media guy, so you may or may not recognize me from some of our TikToks, our Instagram videos, or YouTube videos like this. So I'm pretty new here, but it's really awesome to be a part of a small team that's making an awesome product like this. Tmat's made in America, but we ship internationally. That is something super cool to be a part of, and I'm really happy that I get to make videos, be in the videos, go live, do all sorts of really cool stuff here at Tmat. One of the coolest things I think about Tmat is how there are so many different uses. So we get a lot of customers that are everybody from carpenters and contractors to florists and stay-at-home moms. There's not a lot of products that are affordable and easy to install that can fit such a wide range of people and uses. One of my favorite things about Tmat is that it is designed, manufactured, and made right here in the USA. I think in 2025, that's pretty rare. We take a lot of pride of that here at Tmat HQ, and it's just something super cool to be a part of. When I first heard about Tmat, I wasn't aware of the scope of how global this company is. I mean, I never thought that I would be personally managing an account in Brazil that is completely in Portuguese and is for Brazilian customers. That is something that is crazy. I never thought that I would be in videos that are getting millions of views regularly worldwide.
A big part of Bobby's job is being everywhere at once. Whether it's Instagram Reels or filming TikTok Lives, he's there. Because social media isn't just content, it's connection. More people are discovering Tmat every day. More customers, more excitement, more eyes on the brand. Because social media isn't a job anymore, it's a bridge. For Bobby, it's simple. He loves telling stories.
One thing that makes my job really exciting is things like this. We just got this new tan colored Tmat, which I did not know was in the works. It just showed up one day, and now I'm taking pictures, videos, making some more content about it. And rumor has it in the engineering department that we got some more colors in the works. Things like this make it fun and fresh every single day.
Tmat isn't just a product, it's a team, a family. And thanks to Bobby, the world gets to see it.